This is disgusting. Who gets natural chips? Those stuff. Hello. Whoa.
Hello. He's recording.
I'm recording.
These are our mixes for our drinks.
Next up.
I'm going to get drunk.
Guess what I got, boys?
What?
Natural flavoured corn chips.
You're a
They are
loser, bro.
fucking disgusting. Shut up!
Give me some!
Shut up!
Damn!
Yeah.
They're gross, bro. Oh.
Yeah, we need a salsa dip with this shit.
Barely, bro.
You need the salsa dip.
Go get some salsa dip.
Oh, fuck. No, fuck it.
We'll eat something else with them, like fish. I'm turning my camera off, bitch. Push.